Hello and welcome to this video. The diagram shows squares ABCD and EFGD. The length of BF is 10 cm and the area of trapezium BCGF is 35 cm squared. What is the length of AB? This was taken from the UKMT Hamilton Olympiad 2017. If you would like to give it a try, make sure to pause the video now. Okay. So, firstly, let's label BF as 10. And now we can draw two lines from point F to the sides of the square, making another square. This means that all the angles are 90 degrees, such as the angle that we have labeled at point H. Therefore, angle HFB is 45 degrees, along with angle FBH. Due to the fact that it was a right angle triangle, but if you put a diagonal through it, then that gets cut in half. This tells us that triangle FHB is a right angled isosceles, so it has a right angle and two angles are the same. So as we know the length of the hypotenuse being 10 and the other two sides are equal, we can use Pythagoras' theorem to find out the length of those sides. So, calling the sides x, we have 2x squared equals 100, as it's x squared plus x squared equals 10 squared. So, dividing by 2 on both sides, we get x squared equals 50, and square rooting 50, we get the square root of 50 for now. I'm going to leave it like that. So, let's label that side. Now, we can find the area of the triangle FHB. So the square root of 50 times square root of 50 over 2, as it is base times height over 2, is 25. So the area of that triangle is 25 centimeters squared, and as we know the area of the whole trapezium is 35, that means that the area of square or rectangle CHFG is 10, as it's 35 take away 25. So CH is 10 divided by the square root of 50. Because for CHFG to be 10, something times 50 has to be equal to 10, and that's 10 over square root of 50. So we can also label that in. Now, as the trapezium FGCB is the same as FBAE, we can move those measurements to the other sides. And now we have something for AB. So the length of AB is 10 over square root of 50 plus square root of 50. To make this easier, we can write square root of 50 as 5 root 2. So simplifying that gives 12 over root 2. And rationalizing the denominator by multiplying by the square root of 2 on both the numerator and the denominator, we get 12 root 2 over 2, which is 6 root 2, giving us our answer for AB, which is 6 root 2 centimeters. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.